Hi lovelies, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today is Saturday and we are cooking a lot of things because we are cooking ahead of the week coming. So here I'm making some sauce and and I'll also be making suya. I'll also be cooking soup, but I think I'll just have to carry you along as much as I can. So here is the suya that we'll be making. I've gone ahead to season this suya last night. I seasoned with some seasoning cubes, some oil, and a little bit of salt as well. So if you'd like to see the full recipe on how I made this suya, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll go ahead to make a video regarding that as well. So my sauce is cooking right over there, and here I am cutting the suya. I'll just cut it to the sizes that I want it. And over there is the skewer that I will be using to put the suya. Once I'm done, I'll just go ahead to sprinkle a little bit of some suya spices. Yes. It's just a lazy, I would say I call this one a lazy recipe on how to make suya. Yes. Because yeah, just a lazy one. I just put the meat in the skewer and then I'll sprinkle some sugar spices as well. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, if you also want to see the full recipe on how I made the sauce, please tell me. But I will try as much as I can to add some caption or the things I'm adding in the sauce. So, but if you like a well detailed recipe on that, just let me know and I will make a video regarding that. Thank you once again, and just I hope you enjoyed the video, and most importantly, I hope you learned something new because we are on this space to learn from each other. Yeah.
Used to be optimistic. These days I just don't know. Picket fence in the valley. I hope it's losing its hold. You know them other girls will love you like I do. Can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Chasing waterfall. Oh, 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 you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do.